From high above, the world seems to hold its breath. Here, carved deep into towering sea cliffs, lies a perfectly green crater, a hidden amphitheater that looks like a forgotten realm. But this place is very real. Welcome to Lēʻahi, known to the world as Diamond Head. This massive volcanic tuff cone, a landmark on the island of Oʻahu, Hawaii, was forged in a single, explosive eruption more than 500,000 years ago. A cataclysmic birth of fire and ash, now resting in profound silence. Its jagged rim, etched against the Pacific sky, tells a story of Earth's violent and spectacular past, a testament to forces that can shape and reshape a planet in an instant. Yet, descend into its heart, and you'll find a different story unfolding. The lush, vibrant interior reveals nature's incredible power to heal, to reclaim, and to transform. What was once a cauldron of molten rock and superheated steam is now a living, breathing landscape, a sanctuary of green. Today, this crater is not a void, but a destination. Its trails are walked by hikers seeking breathtaking views. Its slopes are guarded by the echoes of history, and its magnificent form is admired from the sky. You see the raw, dark, volcanic rock of its past, embracing the vibrant, tenacious life that has taken root within. This isn't just a mountain or a crater. It's a geological masterpiece, a scar of ancient fire that has gracefully transformed into a symbol of resilience, beauty, and the enduring spirit of the islands. This is Diamond Head, a place where the fury of creation has settled into a timeless, serene beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this view from above, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories from our incredible world.